Hi, it's time to try your binary number sense in an activity. And the first activity I've chosen is one called binary weaving. I found this with the Raft crew in the Bay Area, and it is all about putting code into jewelry. So maybe the boys won't think this is as exciting, but I'd still like them to try it. We're going to make whatever you like, and it can be a keychain, it can be a necklace, but all of the beads that you put into your binary weaving need to have a coded binary number in there. And that coded binary weaving is going to correspond to the alphabet. Every time you touch your keyboard on your computer is getting a series of zeros and ones, and they represent the letter that you typed. And each byte, because it's an 8-digit binary number, it's a byte. Each byte corresponds to a different letter of the alphabet. When you do a small letter A and a big letter A, they look completely different, don't they? And in fact, your computer needs you to use different codes to represent a capital letter and a lowercase letter. So you will need to differentiate between those two, and you can code whichever you like. Perhaps you would like to do your initials of your name and make a bracelet. So that's the project that I'm choosing. And since we've already worked pretty hard on learning what a binary number means, there is a little review on this sheet, and you can look down. I'm going to show you the ASCII code. So here are the ASCII alphabet letters that code alphabets into binary. You can see that ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Those geeks have just great acronyms for you. And I'm going to do, for my very first letter, is the first letter of my name, which is a capital K. And see that number 75 there is a capital letter K, and in binary that's 01001011. So I'm going to make that into a bracelet. You can see that this is my letter K, and I'm going to read it across for you. We have 01001011. That is the number 75, and in ASCII code that means capital K. Every time you touch a capital K on your keyboard, that's what your computer is receiving. That's the sequence of zeros and ones. So when you are making your necklace, you see how I've got a nice long string here? Okay, this is the first letter that I've made my capital K. Now I'm going to add a capital W. Let's look at the chart and see where it is. So you can see here that the capital W is number 87, and that's 01010111. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you putting this together. Okay, so here are my zeros, here are my ones, and I'm going to code a W, which is my middle initial, and my code is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. And that stands for the first 0, 1. There are no 128s in my binary. So there's a 0 in the 128 digit. In the 64 digit, there is 1. There's 164, right? And then this would stand for 32. There's no 32s because 32 plus 64 is more than 87. And then I have 1, 16. 8 is a 0, and then 4, 2, 1. Adding it all together, my capital W is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. That's your ASCII code for the capital W. So have fun, make something neat, and let me know when you're done.